Integrated circuits, often called ICs or microchips, are the tiny brains behind most of our modern electronics. They pack millions, sometimes billions of electronic components onto a single chip, making devices smaller, faster, and more reliable. From your smartphone to your car, ICs are everywhere, quietly powering the technology we rely on every day. In this video, we'll take a journey through the world of integrated circuits, exploring how they work, how they're made, and why they're so important in shaping our digital world. Story of integrated circuits begins in the late 1950s. Before ICs, electronic devices used bulky vacuum tubes and transistors wired together on circuit boards. This made electronics large, power-hungry, and prone to failure. The invention of the integrated circuit changed everything. By combining multiple components onto a single piece of silicon, engineers could create much smaller and more reliable devices. This breakthrough paved the way for the rapid advancement of technology that followed. Integrated circuits revolutionized the electronics industry. Suddenly, it was possible to build complex devices that were smaller, lighter, and more efficient than ever before. Computers shrank from room-sized machines to desktop devices, and eventually to laptops and smartphones. Everyday items like calculators, watches, and even household appliances became smarter and more capable, all thanks to the power of ICs. The heart of every integrated circuit are tiny electronic components like transistors, resistors, and capacitors. These parts work together to process signals, store data, and perform calculations. All of these components are etched onto a thin slice of silicon, creating a complex network that can handle millions of operations per second. The design and arrangement of these components determine what the IC can do, from simple logic functions to advanced computing tasks. Integrated circuits come in many shapes and sizes, each designed for a specific purpose. Some ICs are analog, handling continuous signals like audio or radio waves. Others are digital, processing binary data for computers and smartphones. There are also mixed-signal ICs that combine both analog and digital functions. This variety allows ICs to be used in everything from simple toys to complex medical equipment. Analog ICs deal with signals that vary smoothly, like sound or light. They're used in amplifiers, radios, and sensors. Digital ICs, on the other hand, work with binary data ones and zeros. These chips are the backbone of computers, smartphones, and digital cameras. Understanding the difference between analog and digital ICs helps explain why they're used in different types of devices. Transistors are the building blocks of integrated circuits. Acting like tiny switches, they control the flow of electricity and allow ICs to perform calculations and store information. Modern ICs can contain billions of transistors, all working together at incredible speeds. The invention of the transistor was a key step in making ICs possible, and ongoing improvements in transistor technology continue to drive progress in electronics. Manufacturing process for integrated circuits is a marvel of modern engineering. It starts with a wafer of pure silicon, which is sliced into thin disks. Using photolithography, tiny patterns are etched onto the silicon, creating the intricate circuits that make up the IC. Layers of materials are added and removed in a carefully controlled process, resulting in chips that are just a few millimeters across but packed with incredible power. Photolithography is the key technique used to create the tiny features on an integrated circuit. It involves shining light through a mask onto the silicon wafer, transferring the circuit pattern onto the surface. Chemicals are then used to etch away unwanted material, leaving behind the desired circuit paths. This process is repeated many times to build up the complex layers of the IC. Silicon is the material of choice for most integrated circuits. It's abundant, affordable, and has the right electrical properties for building tiny transistors and other components. Silicon wafers provide a perfect platform for creating the complex structures needed in modern ICs. Advances in silicon processing have allowed engineers to pack more and more functionality into smaller and smaller chips. Once the integrated circuit is created on the silicon wafer, it needs to be packaged to protect it and allow it to connect to the outside world. The wafer is cut into individual chips, which are then mounted in protective cases with metal pins or pads. These packages make it possible to install the IC onto circuit boards and connect it to other components in a device. Every integrated circuit goes through rigorous testing before it leaves the factory. Engineers check each chip to make sure it works correctly and meets strict quality standards. Defective chips are discarded, while the good ones are shipped out to manufacturers around the world. This careful testing ensures that the devices we use every day are reliable and safe. Integrated circuits are everywhere, often hidden inside the devices we use every day. They power our smartphones, computers, televisions, and even kitchen appliances. Cars rely on ICs for everything from engine control to entertainment systems. Medical devices, industrial machines, and even toys all use ICs to add intelligence and functionality. Modern communication would be impossible without integrated circuits. ICs handle the processing and transmission of data in phones, computers, and the internet. They enable wireless communication, high-speed data transfer, and the complex networking that connects people around the globe. Thanks to ICs, we can send messages, make video calls, and access information instantly. Computers have been transformed by integrated circuits. The central processing unit, or CPU, is an IC that acts as the brain of the computer. Memory chips, graphics processors, and storage controllers are all ICs as well. These chips work together to perform the complex calculations and data processing that make modern computing possible. From televisions and game consoles to smart speakers and wearable devices, integrated circuits are at the heart of consumer electronics. They enable features like touchscreens, wireless connectivity, and voice recognition. As ICs become more powerful and energy efficient, our gadgets continue to get smarter and more capable. Modern vehicles are packed with integrated circuits. They control everything from engine performance and safety systems to navigation and entertainment. Advanced driver assistance features like automatic braking and lane keeping rely on powerful ICs to process data from sensors and cameras in real time. Integrated circuits play a vital role in healthcare technology. They're found in medical devices like pacemakers, MRI machines, and blood glucose monitors. ICs enable precise control, data collection, and wireless communication in these life-saving tools, helping doctors diagnose and treat patients more effectively. Factories and industrial equipment depend on integrated circuits for automation and control. ICs manage everything from robotic arms to temperature sensors, making production faster, safer, and more efficient. As industries adopt more advanced technology, the demand for powerful and reliable ICs continues to grow. Spacecraft and satellites rely on integrated circuits to operate in the harsh conditions of space. ICs control navigation, communication, and scientific instruments, enabling missions to explore distant planets and gather valuable data. The reliability and compact size of ICs make them ideal for space applications. Microprocessors are a special type of integrated circuit that can perform complex calculations and run software programs. They're found in computers, smartphones, and countless other devices. The development of microprocessors marked a major milestone in the history of ICs, enabling the digital revolution that transformed our world. Moore's law is the observation that the number of transistors on an integrated circuit doubles about every 2 years. This trend has driven rapid advances in computing power and enabled the creation of ever more powerful and affordable devices. While the pace of progress is slowing, Moore's law continues to inspire innovation in the semiconductor industry. Designing integrated circuits is a complex and demanding process. Engineers must balance performance, power consumption, and cost while ensuring the chip works reliably. As ICs become more advanced, new challenges arise, such as managing heat, reducing interference, and fitting more components into smaller spaces. One of the biggest challenges in IC design is managing power consumption. As chips become more powerful, they can generate more heat and use more energy. Engineers use clever techniques to reduce power usage, such as turning off parts of the chip when they're not needed and using energy-efficient materials. The trend in integrated circuits has always been toward making things smaller. Miniaturization allows more functionality to fit into a single chip, enabling the creation of tiny, powerful devices. However, shrinking components also introduces new technical challenges, such as increased electrical interference and manufacturing difficulties. As integrated circuits become more powerful, they generate more heat. Managing this heat is crucial to ensure the chip works reliably and lasts a long time. Engineers use heat sinks, fans, and advanced materials to keep ICs cool, especially in high-performance computers and servers. Reliability is a top priority in integrated circuit design. Chips must work correctly under a wide range of conditions, from freezing cold to extreme heat. Engineers test ICs extensively to ensure they can handle the demands of real-world use, whether in a smartphone or a spacecraft. With so many devices relying on integrated circuits, security is more important than ever. ICs are designed with features to protect against hacking, tampering, and data theft. Secure chips are used in credit cards, passports, and other sensitive applications to keep information safe. Artificial intelligence is driving demand for even more powerful integrated circuits. Specialized chips, known as AI accelerators, are designed to handle the massive amounts of data and complex calculations required for machine learning and neural networks. These ICs are at the forefront of the next wave of technological innovation. The Internet of Things, or IoT, connects everyday objects to the Internet, allowing them to collect and share data. Integrated circuits are the key enablers of IoT, providing the processing power, memory, and connectivity needed for smart devices like thermostats, fitness trackers, and home security systems. Wireless communication relies on specialized integrated circuits that handle radio signals, data encoding, and network protocols. These chips are found in smartphones, Wi-Fi routers, and Bluetooth devices, making it possible to connect and communicate without wires. Integrated circuits are helping to make renewable energy more efficient and reliable. They control solar panels, wind turbines, and battery systems, optimizing energy production and storage. ICs enable smart grids that balance supply and demand, making green energy more practical and accessible. Robots depend on integrated circuits for sensing, control, and decision-making. ICs process data from cameras and sensors, control motors, and execute complex algorithms. As robotics technology advances, ICs are enabling smarter, more capable machines that can work alongside humans in factories, hospitals, and homes. Integrated circuits power the entertainment industry, from high-definition televisions and gaming consoles to streaming devices and virtual reality headsets. These chips handle video processing, audio playback, and wireless connectivity, delivering immersive experiences to audiences around the world. Education has been transformed by integrated circuits. Laptops, tablets, and interactive whiteboards all rely on ICs to deliver digital learning experiences. Online courses, educational games, and virtual classrooms are made possible by the processing power and connectivity that ICs provide. Banking and finance industries depend on integrated circuits for secure transactions and data processing. Credit cards, ATMs, and online banking systems all use ICs to protect sensitive information and enable fast, reliable service. As digital payments become more common, the role of ICs in finance continues to grow. Security systems use integrated circuits to monitor, detect, and respond to threats. ICs process data from cameras and sensors, control alarms, and manage access to buildings. Advanced security chips include encryption features to protect against hacking and unauthorized access. Smart home devices rely on integrated circuits to automate lighting, heating, security, and entertainment. ICs enable voice control, remote access, and energy management, making homes more comfortable, efficient, and secure. As smart home technology evolves, ICs will play an even bigger role in our daily lives. Wearable technology like fitness trackers and smartwatches depends on tiny, energy-efficient integrated circuits. These chips process sensor data, connect to smartphones, and run apps, all while fitting into compact, stylish devices that can be worn all day. Modern agriculture uses integrated circuits to monitor soil conditions, control irrigation, and manage equipment. ICs enable precision farming, helping farmers increase yields and reduce waste. As agriculture becomes more high-tech, ICs are making food production smarter and more sustainable. Transportation systems use integrated circuits for navigation, safety, and communication. ICs are found in traffic lights, trains, airplanes, and ships, helping to coordinate movement and ensure safety. As transportation networks become more connected, ICs will play an even greater role in keeping people and goods moving efficiently. Integrated circuits are used in environmental monitoring devices that track air quality, water pollution, and weather conditions. These ICs process data from sensors and transmit it to researchers and authorities, helping to protect the environment and public health. The future of integrated circuits is full of exciting possibilities. Researchers are exploring new materials such as graphene and new designs like 3D stacking to push the limits of performance and efficiency. As technology evolves, ICs will continue to shape the way we live, work, and connect with the world. Integrated circuits have had a profound impact on society, driving economic growth, improving quality of life, and enabling global communication. They've made technology accessible to billions of people and opened up new opportunities in every field. The story of ICs is a story of human ingenuity and progress. Integrated circuits are the unsung heroes of the digital age. From powering our gadgets to enabling scientific breakthroughs, ICs have transformed the world in countless ways. As we look to the future, the continued evolution of IC technology promises even more amazing advances. Whether in artificial intelligence, healthcare, or space exploration, integrated circuits will remain at the heart of innovation for years to come.